How do we know if we use a or an? Well, it depends on the beginning sound of the word you are using. If a word begins with a vowel sound, then we need to use the article an. In case you forgot what vowels are, they are A, E, I, O, U. And all of the other letters, which are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well, they are consonants. If the word makes a consonant sound at the beginning, we use an A before it. I'll explain that better in a second, but first, what are our vowel sounds? A is A, E is E, I is I, O is A, U is A. Your turn. A is, E is, I is, O is, and U is. So we use an if the word begins with a vowel sound, and we use A if the word begins with a consonant sound. Let's use an example to explain it a bit better. If I'm talking about the noun apple, what beginning sound does apple start with? A for apple. A is a vowel sound, so we are going to use an apple. I would like an apple. What about frog? Do I use a or an? Well, what beginning sound does frog start with? Is a consonant sound, so we are going to use a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. That's because we use an for a vowel sound and we use a for a consonant sound. Let's do some practice and you call out the answer if you know it. Now remember, it's okay to get it wrong as long as we're trying our best. What would it be for bed? B. A bed. Egg. E. An egg. Orange. O. An orange. Elephant. E. An elephant. Spider. S. A spider. Now remember that I said it depends on the vowel sound. We can't just look at it and see it's a vowel and assume that it is going to be an. It depends on the sound that the noun makes. So for example, if we look at the noun unicorn, even though it starts with the letter U and U is a vowel, we don't say a unicorn. It starts with a Y, unicorn, which is the letter Y, which is a consonant. Unicorn. So it is actually a unicorn, because if it begins with a vowel sound, it's an, and if it begins with a consonant sound, it's a. Let's do a few more practices. Umbrella. A. An umbrella. Unicorn. Y. A unicorn. Snake. S. A snake. Hero. H. A hero. House. H. A house. Hour. An hour. Did you get stuck on an hour? It's tricky because the H is silent. We don't say h hour, we say hour. So because it starts with a vowel sound, we use an. So just remember, we use an for a vowel sound and we use a for a consonant sound.